attended in CET, maybe the same amount of classes, the same hours of classes I attended in a single semester in IIT Hyderabad. So it was quite hectic.
Okay. Mm. So where did you grow up and spend your childhood days?
I grew up in Koraput district. Maybe some of you might be knowing or might have gone to that place. So that is
Yes.
one of the most beautiful
Yes.
districts in Odisha, I can say. It's a hilly area full of mountains and forests. So the environment is also always a bit lower than the average temperature what you see in the coastal area. And eh, so it's a very nice place. So I grew up mostly in Koraput. Till plus two, I was there. I did my schooling in Navodaya Vidyalaya in Koraput. So yeah.
Sir, କିଛି funny incident childhood anything ଯୋଉଟା
Uh,
ଆପଣ recall କରିପାରୁଥିବେ?
Navodaya episode itself is a kind of like many moments are there.
Yes.
Like who have been to JNVs, they must be knowing the life is completely different. But rather than that, I will tell you about the earlier days of my life, like before Navodaya.
Yes.
So once I was playing with my friends, so I had
Yes.
some two I always had very a small group of people like very close to me, like whomever will be there, I will be very close to them, but it will be always be a small group. So I was playing with them, and uh, one of my friend was going on a bicycle, like he was riding the bicycle, I was sitting behind. So uh, I was very scared because he was
Hello, hello.
yeah, hello.
Hello. So,
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, some disturbance was there, I guess.
Hi.
no, sir, sorry. You can continue.
Yeah, so he was riding the cycle very fast, and because of my mistake only, like because I was scared so much that I put my leg in one of the bus, like which came on the way, and I fell down. And that friend didn't know that my arm is broken, so he thought he may able to fix it, and he was bit healthy, so he took my arm and twisted again. So I don't know how much it was broke, but after that it was completely broke. So that day itself, I had to run to hospital to fix it.
So
And
it must have been yes,
for
one
next
of the
1 week,
most painful.
he was weak. He was scared of seeing me for the next 1 week at least. So yeah.
Yes, sir. Uh, so any advice, like you took biotech during your college after graduation? So
Yeah, I will appreciate you ask this question.
yes, sir.
So I don't know how many of you came for like what drove you to do biotech, because still now biotech is not to the
That known, yes, sir.
no, it is well known, like people have some other perception of that. But even when the biotech itself started, there was a different perception of starting this branch, but it
Yes,
wasn't able to fulfill to that expectation, I guess. So I always wanted to work in the field of agriculture, and I thought somewhere or other maybe biotech. First of all, the term was cool because
yes,
it has both biology and technology. And second thing, I thought like I will be working on gene editing or engineering of DNA something. So yeah, that drove me to took biotech.
but
As yeah.
so why research and not any corporate jobs?
See, I always loved biology. So like I don't know, like I from the beginning itself when I joined the department, that time itself I had the motive that I will go for higher studies, do research in the field. So research was always my priority at that time also. If you ask my friends, they will say like it was a surprise for them maybe, but it was never for me. Like from the beginning, I wasn't. I was just thinking around here and there, but when it came to we came to fourth year, like I was very skeptical about getting into some premier institutes for higher education because I didn't know if I didn't do, then what else I will do that moment.
So, if not scientist, then which profession you would have gone for? Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Uh, Sir, if not scientist, then which profession you would have gone for?
it's difficult to answer, but I think I might have chosen art maybe or a mathematics teacher. Either of them. Like I am not sure, but yeah, these are the two other subjects which I like. So art or math.
Sir, ଆପଣଙ୍କ favorite place CET ରେ ଯୋଉଠି ବହୁତ time spend କରିଥିବେ and all.
Uh, mostly ମୁଁ room ରେ
Memory.
ରହୁଥିଲି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
room ରେ ରହୁଥିଲି, but institute ରେ lab ରେ ମତେ ଯଦି ମାନେ ଇଏ time ରେ ଖୋଜିବାକୁ ଚାହଁ ମାନେ ଏକାଡେମିକ ଟାଇମ ପିରିୟଡ ରେ ବାୟୋଟେକ୍ ଲ୍ୟାବ୍ ଟା ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ଆର୍କିଟେକ୍ଚର ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ରେ ସେଇଠି ପାଇଯିବ ପ୍ରାୟ ସେଇଠି ରହୁଥିଲି ପ୍ରାୟ ସେଇଠି ସେ ସମୟ ପ୍ରାୟ
ସାର୍ ଏମିତି କେବେ ହେଇନି କି ଆପଣ ଡିସ୍କରେଜ ହେଇଥିବେ କି ମେ ବି ଆଉ
ବହୁତ
କିଛି କରିବାର ଥିଲା or something?
ବହୁତ ଥର ହୁଏ ସେଇଟା ଆଉ ମୋଷ୍ଟଲି ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ ପିଏଚଡି ରେ ଥାଅ ତୁମ ମାନେ 5 ବର୍ଷ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇଫ କୁ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଡିଗ୍ରୀ ପାଇଁ ଦେବା ତାପରେ ଏଇଟା ମେଜର ଏଇ ଟାଇମ ରେ ବହୁତ ଜଣ ଜବ୍ କରନ୍ତି ତାପରେ ତୁମେ ଲାଇଫ ରେ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସ କର ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ ଜିନିଷ ଏଇ ସମୟରେ ଆସେ ତ ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ଅଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସଡନ ତୁମେ ଯଦି କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ ବେଳେବେଳେ ଷ୍ଟକ୍ ଫିଲ୍ ହୁଏ କି
Yes.
ଆଉ କିଛି କରିଥିଲେ ଭଲ ହୁଅନ୍ତା କିନ୍ତୁ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ସି ଦ ବିଗର ପିକ୍ଚର ତୁମେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଫିଲ୍ଡ ଚୁଜ୍ କଲ ଆ ପରେ ତୁମେ କଣ କରିପାରିବ ତ ସେ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍ ଟା ହେଲ୍ପ କରେ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସ କରିବା ପାଇଁ
ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇନ୍ସପିରେସନ କିଏ ଥିଲେ ମାନେ ଏମିତି କିଏ ଥିଲେ ନା ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂରୁ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟେଡ ଥିଲେ ଏଇ ଫିଲ୍ଡରେ?
ମୁଁ ଜଏନ୍ ହେବାକୁ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟେଡ ଥିଲି କାରଣ ସେଇଟା ମୋ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ପଶି ଯାଇଥିଲା କି ଯାହାବି କି ମତେ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଲାଇନ ରେ ଯିବାର ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ସମୟରେ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ବେଚ୍ ଥିଲେ ଜୁହି ଦିଦିଙ୍କ ବେଚ୍ ଥିଲା ଜୁହି ଦିଦିଙ୍କ ବେଚ୍ ରେ ପାଖାପାଖି 3 ଜଣ ନା 4 ଜଣ ସେମାନେ ଆଇଆଇଟି ରେ ଏମଟେକ୍ ପାଇଁ ପାଇଥିଲେ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ବେଚ୍ ରୁ ହିଁ ତ ମାନେ ସିଇଟି ର ଯୋଉଟା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ବାୟୋଟେକ୍ ବେଚ୍ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ଏବେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭଲ ଜାଗାରେ ବି ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ ସେଇମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ ପାଖାପାଖି 3 4 ଜଣ ଖଣ୍ଡେ 3 4 ଜଣ ତା ଉପରେ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଫିଲ୍ଡରେ ଗଲେ ତ ମୁଁ ସେଇଠି ଦେଖିଥିଲି କି ସ୍କୋପ ଅଛି ମାନେ ତୁମେ ଯାଇପାରିବ ପ୍ରିମିୟର ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟରେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ପଶି ହବ ଆଉ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିହବ ଆଉ ବାୟୋଲୋଜି ଟା ଯିଏ ଜାଣିଛି ନ ଜାଣିଛି ତୁମେ ମାନେ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କିନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଲାଗେ କମ୍ପାରିଟିଭଲି ଅଦର ଫିଲ୍ଡ
ଅଦର ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟଲି।
ବାୟୋଲୋଜି ଟା ବହୁତ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଜିନିଷଟା ତୁମେ ଏଠି ଲାଇଭ ଏକ୍ସଚେଞ୍ଜ ଦେଖିପାରିବ ମାନେ ଅ, ଏଇଟା ବହୁତ ମେକାନିକାଲ ନୁହଁ ଏଥିରେ ଏକ୍ସେପସନ ବହୁତ ଅଧିକା ଥାଏ ଆଉ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଜିନିଷଟା ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ବି ତ ତୁମେ ଯଦି କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ ବାହାର କଲ ତୁମେ ଇଭେନ ଆସେ ଗୁଡାକ ହଉ କିମ୍ବା କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ପ୍ଲେଟିଂ ବି ହେଲା ତୁମେ ସେ କଲର ହଉ କିମ୍ବା ଇଭେନ ମୁଁ ପେଜ ଯୋଉ ଜେଲ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରୋଫୋରେସିସ ରେ ସେ ବ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଗୁଡାକ ସେପାରେଟ ଆସେ ସେଇଟା ବି ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଯେ ତୁମେ ଜାଣିପାରିବ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ସିମ୍ପଲ ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟରୁ ତୁମେ ଜାଣିପାରିବ ଯେ ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଡିଏନଏ ଟା ତୁମର କୌଣସି ପ୍ଲାଜମିଡ ରେ ଇନସର୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ନ ହେଇଛି ତୁମେ ସେଲ କଲଚର ଜାଣିଛ ବହୁତ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ତ ମୁଁ ଆଗରୁ ହିଁ ମୋଟିଭେଟେଡ ଥିଲି ୟା ପାଇଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ବାୟୋଲୋଜିଟା ବହୁତ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ସାର୍। ଇଏ ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମାନେ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଯେତେବେଳେ CET କୁ ଆସିଲେ ମାନେ କଣଟା ସବୁଠୁ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗିଲା CET କଲେଜରେ?
ଆ एनवायरनमेंट କହିବି ମାନେ ନବୋଦୟରେ ଆମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଜେଲରେ ରଖା ହେଇଥିଲା ଟାଇପର ହେଲା ସିଏ ବାଉଣ୍ଡରୀ ରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ସନ ବହୁତ ଅଧିକା ଥିଲା ଆଉ ସେ ସମୟରେ ଦରକାର ବି ଏମିତି ନୁହଁ ଯେ ସେଇଟା ମାନେ କଣ ହଁ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ତ ରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ସନ ବହୁତ ଅଧିକା ଥିଲା ଆଉ ସେଟା ଦରକାର ଥିଲା ଆଉ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ କଲେଜ ଆଉ ସାଇନ୍ସ କଲେଜ ତ କେବେ ଯାଇନି କିନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଲାଗେ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ଏଇଆ କି ସେ ଯୋଉ କୁଲ ୟୋ ଷ୍ଟାଇଲଟା ସେଟା ତୁମେ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ କଲେଜରୁ ହିଁ ଶିଖିପାରିବ ଆଉ ଦ ଏନଭାୟରନମେଣ୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା ଥିଲା ମାନେ ଫ୍ରିଡମ ଯୋଉ ଥିଲା ଆମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯେ ଆମେ କିଛି ବି କରିପାରିବୁ ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲୋର କରିପାରିବ ଆମ ବେଚ୍ ବେଳକୁ ତ ବାୟୋଜୋ କ୍ଲବ ନଥିଲା ମାନେ ଆମ ପର ବେଚ୍ ସେମାନେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ରୋବୋଟିକ୍ସ ଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ତାପରେ ଆଉ ସେଇଠି ବି ମାନେ ଜେଣ୍ଡର ଅନବାୟସ ଟା ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଡ ଜିନିଷ ଥିଲା ମାନେ ଏବେ ମେ ବି ସ୍କୁଲରେ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡା ନଥିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମ ବେଳକୁ କଣ ତୁମେ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ବି ବହୁତ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋମିନେଣ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟ ଥିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ କଲେଜରେ ଆସିଲା ପରେ ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା ପୁରା ହଟିଯାଏ ତୁମେ ଇଣ୍ଟରାକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବ ଆଇଡିଆ ସେୟାର କରିପାରିବ ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ ଉପରେ କାମ କରିପାରିବ କିଛି କ୍ରିଏଟିଭ କାମ କରିପାରିବ ତ ହଁ ଏଗୁଡାକ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଥିଲା ସେଇଠି
ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖା ହେଇଥିଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆଇଆଇଟି ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ ଗଲେ ଏଇଥର କି ସିଟିଏନ୍ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ କି ସ୍କୁଲ ଟାଇମ୍ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ
ନାଇଁ ସିଇଟିରେ ମାନେ ସରି ଆଇଆଇଟିରେ ତ କେହି ନଥିଲେ ଆଇଆଇଟିରେ କେହି ନଥିଲେ ହଁ ଆମ 2 ବର୍ଷ ସିନିୟର ଜଣେ ଭାଇ ଆଇଆଇଟିରେ ଇଏ କରୁଥିଲେ ମାନେ ବାୟୋଟେକ୍ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଅନିଲ ଭାଇ ଥିଲେ ଏଇଠି ସିଏ କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଏମଟେକ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କର ସେତେବେଳେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟର ସରିଯାଇଥିଲା ସେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ବାହାରୁଥିଲେ ତ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଥରେ ଦେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା ବାସ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିଥିବେ ନହେଲେ ସେଇଠି
ହଁ
ଇଏ କରିବା ପାଇଁ
ବେସିକାଲି ସେ ଆଇଡିଆ ଦେଲା
ପ୍ରେରଣା
ଯେ ଆଉ
ଦେବା
ହଁ ଆଇଡିଆ ଏଇଆ ଦେଲା କି ବେଶୀ ଟେନସନ କିଛି ନେବାର ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଏନଭାୟରନମେଣ୍ଟ ବହୁତ ହି ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଓରିଏଣ୍ଟେଡ ଥିଲା ଯେହେତୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟଟା ନୂଆ ଥିଲା 2018ରେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ବାୟୋଟେକ୍ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟଟା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା 2013 ମାନେ ଫଙ୍କସନାଲ ହେଲା 2012 ବା 13ରେ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜଏନ୍ ହେଲି 2014ରେ ମୁଁ ଜଏନ୍ ହେଇଥିଲି ତ ମୁଁ ଥର୍ଡ ବ୍ୟାଚରେ ଥିଲି ତ ଏନଭାୟରନମେଣ୍ଟ ବହୁତ ନୂଆ ଥିଲା ତ ସେମିତି କିଛି ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ତ କିଛି ହେଇନି ବଟ୍ ସେ ଯାହା ମାନେ କେମିତି ଆଇଆଇଟି ଏନଭାୟରନମେଣ୍ଟରେ କପ୍ ଅପ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଅଧିକା ଟାଇମ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଷ୍ଟଡିଜ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ସିରିୟସ ହବାକୁ ପଡିବ ତାପରେ ତୁମ ଗାଇଡ ଚୁଜ୍ କରିବା ଅପସନ ଆସିଲେ କଣ ଦେଖିକି ଗାଇଡ ଚୁଜ୍ କରିବ ତ ସେଗୁଡାକ ଜିନିଷ ଟିକେ ସେ ଆଡଭାଇସ କରିଥିଲେ ଆଉ
ସାର୍ ଏନି ଫନି ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ହେଇଥିବ while attending labs in CET
ଏ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ ଅଛି
usually
ଯେ ମୁଁ ଏଜ ଏ ପର୍ସନ ବହୁତ ବୋରିଂ ତ ଜିନିଷଟା ବାସ୍ ଏଇଆ କି ସୋନାଲି ଦିଦି ଯିଏ ତୁମ ସୋନାଲି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ସୋନାଲି ଦିଦି ଭଗବତ ଭାଇ ଚାଲିଗଲେ ଭଗବତ ଭାଇ ସୋନାଲି ଦିଦି ସେତେବେଳେ ସମୀର ଭାଇ ବି ଥିଲେ ତ ଏମାନଙ୍କର ବହୁତ ବଡ ହାତ ଅଛି ମାନେ ମତେ କିଛି ମାତ୍ରାରେ ସେଭ୍ କରିବାରେ ତ ସ୍ୱାଗତ ସାର୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ତ ସୋନାଲ ଦିଦି ପ୍ରାୟ ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ଲେଟ୍ ହେଇଯାଏ ଉଠିବାରେ କାରଣ ରାତି 2ଟା 3ଟା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଚାଲିଥିବ ଯାତ୍ରା ହଷ୍ଟେଲରେ ତ ସେଇ ଉଠିବାରେ ଲେଟ୍ ହୁଏ ତ ଲ୍ୟାବ୍ ସମୟରେ ପ୍ରାୟ ସମୟରେ ମୋର ଲେଟ୍ ପହଞ୍ଚିବାରେ ସୋନାଲ ଦିଦି ଟିକେ କଭର ଅପ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଆଉ କାଣ୍ଡ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ କରାହେଇଛି ତ ସେଗୁଡା ଏଇଠି କହିହବନି
ସାର୍ ଫିର ବି କିଛି ଗୋଟେ
ଏ ନା ସେଟା ଅଫ୍ କ୍ୟାମେରା ଭଲ ଅନ୍ କ୍ୟାମେରା ଠିକ ନୁହଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ so what were your skill sets ମାନେ କଣ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ସେଟ୍ ରିକ୍ୱାୟର୍ଡ ହେଇଥିଲା ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରୁଥିଲେ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ପାଇଁ ଗେଟ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମ ପାଇଁ any advice
the motivation and the urge for your goal that matters a lot apart from anything else like ତମେ କେତେ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍ ଅଛି ତୁମ ଭିତରେ ତୁମେ କେତେ ବ୍ୟାଡଲି ଚାହୁଁଛ ଯେ ତୁମେ ସେଇଠି ପହଞ୍ଚିବା ଦରକାର ଅଛି ସେ ସମୟରେ ମତେ ଆଇବିଏମ ରେ ଫର୍ଚୁନେଟଲି ଆଇବିଏମ ରେ ପ୍ଲେସମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋର ସେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରରେ ବହୁତ ୱିକ୍ ଥିଲି ମତେ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ଯୋଗୁଁ ମୁଁ ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ପାସ୍ କରିଛି କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରରେ ମୁଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ କାରଣ ସେମାନେ ମତେ ପଢାନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ 2 ଦିନ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମୁଁ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଯାଇକି ଲେଖେ କିନ୍ତୁ मते जेमती हेले भी मो आईबीएम रे हेतिला परे मते मु बहुत ही डरी की एथि पई थिली कारण मु जदी आईबीएम रे गली मु जाननी कोन करबी कारण मते कंप्यूटर रे इंटरेस्ट नथिला से समय रे माने मु किछ करया चाहू नथि मु चाहूतली हायर स्टडीज पे जीवा पई तो से वर्ष पर्टिकुलरली मु बहुत बहुत पढ़ी मु बहुत टाइम देछि तो तुमर अर्ज टा जोटा कि तुमे केते बैडली चाहूचो जे तुमे सेठी पहुंचवार अछि और तापे तुमे किछि भी करिया पे रेडी रहया दरकार तो ସେଇଟା ତୁମକୁ ଆପେ ଆପେ ରାସ୍ତା ଦବ ବାକି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲ୍ପ କରେ ଏକ୍ସାମ କୁ କ୍ରାକ୍ କରିବାରେ ହଉଛି ତୁମେ କେତେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପେପର ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କରୁଛ ମାନେ ପଢିବା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ କିନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ତୁମେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଅଧିକା ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କରିବ ତୁମେ ଜାଣିପାରିବ କେତେ ଭେରାଇଟିର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆସେ କୋଉ ଭଳିଆ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆସେ ଆଉ ତାପରେ ତୁମେ ତାକୁ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ କ୍ରସ୍ ମାନେ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଚେକ୍ କରିପାରିବ ତାର ଆନ୍ସର ଗୁଡାକ ପାଇଁ ସେଇ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଉପରେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ପଢିପାରିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେ ଅଧିକା ତୁମେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିବ ଆଉ टाइम लिमिट रखी तुम क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करिवो सेरा ऑब्वियसली हेल्प करे एग्जाम क्रैक करे पे
ओके थैंक यू सर सर आपनकर किछि गोटे माने मेमोरी जोडा के मिस करथिवे कॉलेज लाइफ रे माने
हाँ बहुत बहुत मो सांग माने बहुत मिस करछि माने सेटा ही मु कहबे जे माने सीट रो बाहरला पर बहुत मिस करछि जदी किछि सेरा मो बैच मो सांग माने सेठो लैब एनवायरनमेंट टीचर्स फैकल्टी माने सोनाल दीदी स्वागत सर एमान को भी बहुत मिस करे कारण सेठी बहुत ही फ्रेंडली एनवायरनमेंट थिला हम मानन को फ्रीडम थिला हमें किछि भी कर परिबो माने हम टीचर्स मान को भितर मध्ये माने जति कि से माने हमको फ्रेंडली रखला हम इंटरेक्शन टा भी बहुत फ्रेंडली होतला हमें वेरियस टॉपिक ऊपर डिस्कस करथुलु कोन करी हबो डिफरेंट अप्रोच को आउ सेमती फ्रेंड्स मान को पई कहया गले से माने मोर लाइफ लाइन थिले माने
यस
बहुत बहुत खटे हेछि बहुत एन्जॉय हेछि सेठी माने सीट रे बहुत बुलिचु हम माने तो सेगुडा बहुत मिस करे मु बहुत मिस करे कारण मु एबे किछि भी कर परनी सेमती किछि
सर फ्यूचर रे किछि गोटे माने रिसर्च लैब या किछि सेटअप करे पे चाहू जंदी
एटा
जति कॉलेज ले कोठी
नहीं एटा बहुत जल्दी हे जबो ता ऊपर किछि कमेंट करबा किंतु ऑब्वियसली इंटेंट तो अछि इंटेंट सेमती किछि अछि जदी भी हबो से ओडिसा भीतर बाय द वे ए क्वेश्चन गुडा को तुमे माने निजे बनैछो ना तुमको के सजेस्ट करछन्ती माने मते लागुछि तुमे किछि सीनियर माने से कंसल्ट करथियो किबा आउ के सजेस्ट
आगे
करथिला
सर मिसिकी आगे सर सीनियर्स का सहित मिसिकी करछ
नहीं बहुत भलो गुडा पचार ओके नेक्स्ट आउ किछि माने से टाइम रे हबो जल्दी तो एबे किछि हे परिबनी
सर ये फील्ड ही बहुत माने टाइम टेकिंग
हाँ ए जिनसरा भी मु कहबे चाहे जदी देखो लाइफ साइंस रे माने बायोटेक टा दो एटा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज रे अछि किंतु ए फील्ड टा साइंस भलिया माने एरा मोस्टली रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड ला एमती नो जे माने अलगा किछ ऑप्शन नाही किंतु ए बहुत ही रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड जिनसला तो एथिरे टाइम लागे तुमको सेटल हवा पे मिनिमम तुम्हें बीटेक पर तुम्हें मास्टर्स करो जदी मास्टर्स को स्किप करिया पे चाहूचो एग्जाम भल से दियो डायरेक्ट पीएचडी जॉइन करो सेटा बहुत बेनिफिट हुए 2 वर्ष तुमरो बंची जाए आउ तो पीएचडी परे मध्य जेहेतु फील्ड रे बहुत कंपटीशन अछि तुमको अनदर 4-5 इयर्स तुमको इन्वेस्ट करिया पड़े फील्ड रे तो तुम्हें ए माइंडसेट नहीं कि चलवा दरकार अछि जे मिनिमम 10 इयर्स हेलो हेलो
आगे सर
सुबुजी
आगे सर
तो से मिनिमम माने तुम बैचलर्स पर मिनिमम तुमको 8 to 10 इयर्स तुमको लागी जाए फील्ड रे सेटल हवा पे तो तुम्हें सेही मेंटालिटी नहीं चलेवा पड़िबो तुम्हें ता पे प्रिपेयर्ड रहया दरकार अछि फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम बेसी हबनी किंतु तुम्हें तुम सांग मानक भलिया जो माने आईटी रे किबा अलगा फील्ड रे अछंती तांको बळे सेही समय तुमे अर्न न करि पारो किंतु इन फ्यूचर करिवो किंतु तुमको से पेशेंस नै कि चलेवा पड़िबो से डेडिकेशन दरकार कारण एटा दो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज रे अछि किंतु आर अप्रोच टा साइंस बळे एतरे मोस्टली रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड काम होय तो से थॉट प्रोसेस टा बहुत दरकार
ओके सर आपन को हॉस्टल लाइफ टा केम थिला माने सीट रे
କଣ
ହଷ୍ଟେଲ ଲାଇଫ ସାର୍
ହଷ୍ଟେଲ ଲାଇଫ ଓ
ଏଇଠି
କଟକ
ଆଉ ଆଇଟି ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ କୋଉଟା ମାନେ ଆପଣ ବେଶୀ କହିବେ?
ନା ଆଇଆଇଟି ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦରେ କୌଣସି ହଷ୍ଟେଲ ଲାଇଫ ନଥିଲା। ଏଠି କିଛି ହଷ୍ଟେଲ ଲାଇଫ ନାହିଁ। ଏଠି ମାଷ୍ଟର୍ସ ବିଟେକ୍ ରେ ତୁମେ ଯଦି ଆସିବ ବ୍ୟାଚଲର୍ସ ରେ ଆଇଆଇଟି ରେ ଲାଇଫ ଥାଏ, କିନ୍ତୁ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏସନ ପିଏଚଡି ରେ ସେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରେ, ଲ୍ୟାବ୍ ଟୁ ଲ୍ୟାବ୍ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରେ। କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ମାନେ ଆମ ମୋଷ୍ଟଲି ବାୟୋଟେକ୍ ରେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଥାନ୍ତି ପ୍ରାୟ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆଡ୍ରେସଟା ଲ୍ୟାବ୍ ଥାଏ। ହଷ୍ଟେଲ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଖାଲି ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ପାଇଁ ଥାଏ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତୁମ ଆଭେଲେବିଲିଟି ସବୁବେଳେ ତୁମେ ଲ୍ୟାବ୍ ରେ ହିଁ ଥିବ। ତ ହଷ୍ଟେଲ ଲାଇଫ ତ ଆଇଆଇଟି ରେ ନଥିଲା ହିଁ। ଯାହା ସିଇଟି ରେ ଥିଲା ସେ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ଥିଲା, ମାନେ କସ
ସାର୍ ଏବେ ମୁଁ ପାସ୍ କରୁଛି ମୃତ୍ୟୁଞ୍ଜୟ ଭାଇଙ୍କୁ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିବି କି
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
हेलो आज्ञा भाई
ହଁ ହଁ
हम भाई ମାନେ ମୋର କିଛି ଡାଉଟ୍ ଥିଲା ମାନେ ଲାଇକ୍ କି beside MTech PhD and postdoc ମାନେ what are the some other courses that we can go for after completing BTech biotechnology?
ହଁ ପ୍ୟାଟେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ସ ଅଛି। ତୁମ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ୟାଟେଣ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ନେଇକି କୋର୍ସ ଅଛି, ସେଟା ବହୁତ ଭଲ। ମାନେ ତୁମକୁ ସରକାରୀ ଜବ୍ ଭଲ ମିଳିବ, ଇଭେନ୍ କମ୍ପାନୀରେ ବି ତାର ଭଲ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି। ମାନେ ପ୍ୟାଟେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସର ଜବ୍ ଟା ଯୋଉଟା। ଆଉ ଫୁଡ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ ଜବ୍ ଅଛି, ଯୋଉଟା କି ତମର ଡିବିଟି ହିଁ କରେ ବୋଧେ, ଏଫସିସିଆଇ ଯୋଉଟା କରେ, ମାନେ ଫୁଡ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ, ସେଇଟା ବି ତୁମେ ବିଟେକ୍ ପରେ ଦେଇପାରିବ। ଆଉ ସେଇଟା ବି ତୁମେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଜବ୍ ସେଇଟା ବି ହେଲା। ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ବାୟୋଟେକ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ସ ଅଛି ବୋଧେ ନା, ବିଆଇପି ନା କଣ, ଡିବିଟି ଥ୍ରୋରେ ସେଇଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ବାୟୋଟେକ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ନା କଣ ସେଇଟା, ନହେଲେ କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକା ବାୟୋଟେକ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ନା କଣ। ଆଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ତା ନା କଣ, ଶିବ 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 ପ୍ରସାଦ ପଣ୍ଡା, ତାଙ୍କ ବ୍ୟାଚମେଟ୍, ତାଙ୍କ ସିଆର ଯିଏ ଥିଲା, ସିଏ ଗୋଟେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କମ୍ପାନୀରେ ଅଛି ହେଲା। ସିଏ କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକାର ସେଇ ବାୟୋଟେକ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ନା କଣ ସେଇ କୋର୍ସ ନେଇଥିଲା। ସେ କୋର୍ସ ପରେ ସିଏ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିରେ ପଶି ପାରିଲା। ତାପରେ ସିଏ ଏବେ ତାର ଗ୍ରୋଥ ଭଲ ଅଛି। ତ
ଭାଇ
ତ ତୁମ
ପ୍ୟାଟେଣ୍ଟ ଆନାଲିଷ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଏଫସିସିଆଇ ମାନେ ଫୁଡ ଆନାଲିଷ୍ଟ କେମିତି ଯାଇ ହବ, ମାନେ ସେଇ କୋର୍ସ ମାନେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ବିଟେକ୍ ଅର ଆଫ୍ଟର ଗିଭିଂ ଗେଟ୍ ଓନଲି
ନା
ସେଇଥିରେ
ନା
ହବ?
ନା ନା ସେଟା ପାଇଁ ଗେଟ୍ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ସେଟା ପାଇଁ ଗେଟ୍ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ତୁମେ ପ୍ୟାଟେଣ୍ଟ ଆନାଲିଷ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ତାର ଅଲଗା କୋର୍ସ ୱାର୍କ ଥାଏ, ମାନେ ଏକ୍ସାମ ଟା କ୍ରାକ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡେ ନା, ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ କୋର୍ସ ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତି। ଇଭେନ୍ ଯୋଉ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ପ୍ୟାଟେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସ ଅଛି ସେମାନେ ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତି। ସେଥିରେ ଧୀରେନ ଭାଇ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଆମ ସିନିୟର ଜଣେ, ଧୀରେନ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସିଏ
ଭାଇ
ପ୍ୟାଟେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସର ଅଛନ୍ତି। ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଡିରେକ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବ। ସିଏ, ଆଉ ମୁଁ ତ କହିବି, ତୁମକୁ ସଜେଷ୍ଟ କରିବି ଯେ ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବି ଇନଭାଇଟ୍ କଲେ ସିଏ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ ଜିନିଷ ତୁମକୁ ଇନସାଇଟ୍ ଦେଇପାରିବେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତ ସିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ୟାଟେଣ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର ଅଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ପ୍ୟାଟେଣ୍ଟ ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ରିଲେଟେଡ ଟୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍। ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଫୁଡ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର ପାଇଁ ବୋଧେ ସିଏ ପ୍ରତିବର୍ଷ ଏକ୍ସାମ ହୁଏ ତାର, ବିଟେକ୍ ପରେ ତୁମେ ଦେଇପାରିବ ସେଇ ଏକ୍ସାମ ଗୁଡାକ। ତ ସେଥିରେ ତୁମର ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହେଲେ ତୁମେ ସେଥିରେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଜବ୍ ତୁମେ ପାଇପାରିବ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଭାଇ means is it needed to do internship, means compulsory internship is needed for this line, means biotech line, means in through BTech career, when we are in a BTech career, is internship needed?
See, it's all about what do you want to do after that. If you want to go to academia, internship is not needed. If you want to go to industry to make contacts and everything, internship is needed. I will rather suggest you to go through the subjects, make your things clear. What do you want to do? Like you should be prepared that what field you want to carry forward, because MTech is the starting point of what next you want to do. Like what will be your identity, what will be your expertise. So considering that point, you should give more attention to explore. There are plenty of options are there in internet where you can uh, search, read, know about various life science courses. Life science is not about biology. The field is changing now. You need to have expertise either in chemistry or physics or mathematics. Then only you can survive in the field of biology. Otherwise, you should go for biochemistry or microbiology, those kind of fields, or food technology or agriculture. So now, see, the automation is coming. So considering that one, like computer science is entering into every field.
Yes,
So ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ एरा पूरा चेंज हो जाइए एबे बायोलॉजी आगर भलिया नुह जे तुमे खाली थ्योरी पढ़िल ताकू नहीं कि तुमे एक्सपेरिमेंट कल काम हम ना सेमती नुह तुमको अलगा माने I will rather suggest that you should improve your skills or the basics in other subjects like physics or chemistry or mathematics so that you can think about what field you want to choose after your bachelor's if you want to continue in the biotechnology. Otherwise, like there is no meaning of taking internship at all. If you want to go to industry, yeah, like you can go for why to waste for 2 months or something sitting at home. Go to industry, do some internship, and make contacts. That's what the helpful. I don't think other way it can be helpful.
Yes, bhai. Bhai, if means like if we are uh, going for like doing internship in a field of some biotech related field, means like research lab or some where we are working, then is it going to help in the MTech? If we do MTech, is it going to help there, or is it going to it will not affect much?
No, see, obviously, definitely, it will give you a perspective about what kind of research you can do, what are the lab look like, and what where you need to focus. But when you go for MTech, it's about the institute you are going, what researches are going on there. So those things matter there. So if you do internship, it will be just bonus, but otherwise, it is not a necessary. That's what my I-
Bhai, you are in the field of bioinformatics.
yeah.
So, means what exactly bioinformatics means? Means we have in a curriculum, but we didn't understand what exactly it is. All about dry lab or wet lab is included in that.
No, see, informatics is mostly like dry, but it always depends on the wet lab thing. Like if you are a bioinformatician, you will be working in computer, that's for sure.
Yes,
But do you know PyMol?
yes, by Pymol.
PyMol you are introduced?
Yes, by Pymol we have introduced.
Oh, that's a great thing. That never happened in during our period, but it's a good improvement. So see, there is so now you can see the molecule. So bioinformatics, it is interesting because see, always already people have worked a lot in the experimental aspect of doing many research. They have generated a lot of data. So if you can analyze the data itself, then you can get a lot of insights about the like a particular field or about the different biomolecular interactions and all. So bioinformatics is not restricted to only NCBI. Okay, NCBI is just a part, very small, tiny part of bioinformatics. So there are MD simulation comes under that, molecular modeling comes under that, like different computational algorithm development, making a algorithm or simulation for different kind of phenomena. So those things comes under your bioinformatics. And oh, what else do you need?
Means is bioinformatics only a dry lab, or both are included?
No, no,
Means
no.
lab
Bioinformatics is
we have
mostly
to.
dry lab. Bioinformatics is mostly dry lab, but yeah, yeah. So are you in doubt that should you pursue that or not? If you want
Yes,
to,
ମାନେ କଣ ତା ପାଇଁ କରିବା ଦରକାର? ଗୋଟେ ଯଦି ପିଲା ଚାହୁଁଛି ବାୟୋଇନଫର୍ମେଟିକ୍ସ ପଢିବା ପାଇଁ, କି ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟଡି କରିବି ବାୟୋଇନଫର୍ମେଟିକ୍ସ, କଣ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ ତାର କଣ ନବ? ସେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଜିନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଷ୍ଟଡି କରିବ କି ଭେରିୟସ୍ ଫିଲ୍ଡ ଅଛି, ସେ
ହୁଁ,
ଡ୍ରଗ୍ ଡିସ୍କଭରି पे ଯାଇପାରେ କି ଜିନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଷ୍ଟଡି କରିବ। ତ
ହୁଁ.
ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବ କି କଣ ବାୟୋଇନଫର୍ମେଟିକ୍ସ ର କୋଉଟା ବେସିକ୍ ଯେମିତି?
ଦେଖ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଯାହା ମେଜର ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ କରିଥିଲି ମୁଁ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ସାଇନ୍ସକୁ କେବେ ଭାଉ ଦେଇନଥିଲି ହେଲା ମତେ ଲାଗୁଥିଲା କି ବାୟୋଲୋଜିରେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରର କାମ କଣ ତ ଯୋଉ ଆମର ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ସେମିଷ୍ଟର ତୁମ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ସେମିଷ୍ଟର ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବୋଧେ ଅଛି ନା କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ କୋର୍ସେସ୍ ମାନେ
ହଁ,
ଡାଟାବେସ୍ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ସି ସି ପ୍ଲସ୍ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ତ
ସି ପ୍ଲସ୍
ସି ସି ପ୍ଲସ୍ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ମେଜର ଇଣ୍ଟେଗ୍ରାଲ ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ବାୟୋଇନଫର୍ମେଟିକ୍ସ ହେଲା ତୁମେ ଯଦି କୌଣସି ବାୟୋଇନଫର୍ମେଟିକ୍ସ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ୍ ଲ୍ୟାବକୁ ଯିବ ସେମାନେ ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତି କି ତୁମକୁ ସି ସି ପ୍ଲସ୍ ପ୍ଲସ୍ରେ ନଲେଜ ଥିବା ଦରକାର ଅଛି ହେଲା ମୋଷ୍ଟଲି ତୁମେ ମାନେ କୋଡିଂ ତୁମେ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜେସ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଲେଖିବ ଆଲଗୋରିଦମ ଲେଖିବ ତ ସେଇଭଳିଆ ତ ତୁମେ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟରେ ତୁମ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ କୋଡିଂରେ ହେଲା ତ କୋଡିଂ ଜାଣିବା ବହୁତ ଦରକାର ମାନେ ଏଇଟା କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ କମ୍ପଲସରି ହେଲା ବାୟୋଇନଫର୍ମେଟିକ୍ସ ଫିଲ୍ଡ ଆଉ ଯେକୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ କୋଡିଂ ବି ଜାଣିଲେ ଚଳିଯିବ, ମାନେ ତୁମେ ସି ଯଦି ଜାଣିଛ ସେଟା ବି ଚଳିବ, ପର୍ଲ ବି ଜାଣିଲେ ଚଳିବ, ନହେଲେ ଲିନକ୍ସ ସିଷ୍ଟମରେ ବି ତୁମେ ଯଦି ଏକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଅଛ ସେଠି ବି ଚଳିବ। ଆଉ ତୁମେ କୋଡିଂ ଜାଣିଲ, ତାପରେ ଦେଖ ଆଜିକାଲି ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ ଅନଲାଇନ ୱେବସାଇଟ୍ ଅଛି, ଇଭେନ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେମାନେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ବାୟୋ ଷ୍ଟାଟିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ସ, ସେଇଟା ବି ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟିଗ୍ରାଲ ପାର୍ଟ ତମର ବାୟୋ ଇନଫର୍ମେଟିକ୍ସ ର ହେଲା। ତ ତୁମେ ଷ୍ଟାଟିଷ୍ଟିକାଲ ଆନାଲିସିସ୍ କରିବ ତା ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ, ତ ସେ ତା ଉପରେ ବି ଗୋଟେ ବେସିକ ନଲେଜ ରହିବା ଦରକାର ଅଛି। ତ କୋଡିଂ ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟାଟିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ସ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ସେ ଜେନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଏଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇକ୍ ଏ ସଫ୍ଟୱେର, ଲାଇକ୍ ତୁମେ ତୁମ କାମରେ ଲାଗିଲେ ତୁମେ ସେଇଟା କରିବ ବାଧ୍ୟରେ ସେମିତି। ତ ସେଇଟା ଜାଣିବା ମାନେ କଣ, ତୁମେ ଜେନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ବେଶୀ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ମାନେ ଅଛି ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ ଡେପ୍ଥରେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତୁମ ୟୁସେଜ କୁ ନେଇକି ସିଏ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହୁଏ। ତୁମେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ତୁମେ ଜେନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛ ତା ଅନୁସାରେ ତୁମର କଣ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବ ସେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରେ। କିନ୍ତୁ ବେସିକ ଜିନିଷ ଯାହା ଦରକାର ସେଟା ହେଲା କୋଡିଂ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟାଟିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ସ। ସେଇଆ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଭାଇ। ଭାଇ ଯେମିତି ବାୟୋ ଇନଫର୍ମେଟିକ୍ସ ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରାଲ ବାୟୋଲୋଜି,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଦିଟା ଭିତରେ ମେନ୍ ମେଜର ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ କେମିତି କଣ, ମାନେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରାଲ ବାୟୋଲୋଜି କଣ ଆଉ ବାୟୋ ଇନଫର୍ମେଟିକ୍ସ କଣ?
ଦେଖ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରାଲ ବାୟୋଲୋଜିରେ ତୁମର ବାୟୋଫିଜିକ୍ସ ମେଥଡ ଗୁଡାକ ଆସେ, ଯେମିତି କି ଏନଏମଆର ହେଲା, ଏକ୍ସରେ ହେଲା, ସିଡି ହେଲା, ଏଗୁଡାକ ତୁମେ ବେସିକାଲି ତୁମେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରାଲ ଷ୍ଟଡି କରିବ, ମାନେ ତୁମେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବ, ମାନେ କ୍ରିଷ୍ଟାଲାଇଜେସନ ଥ୍ରୋରେ ହେଲା। ତୁମେ ଏକ୍ସରେ ଏନଏମଆର ଏବିଷୟରେ ତ ଜାଣିଥିବ ନା, ମାନେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନ ତ ତୁମକୁ ହେଇଥିବ ପ୍ରାୟ, ନା ମତେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନ ବହୁତ କହିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ତା ବିଷୟରେ?
ନା ଭାଇ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏକ୍ସରେ
ଜାଣିଛ ନା, ମାନେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବାକୁ ପଡେ। ହଁ, ତୁମେ ପିଡିବି ରେ ଯୋଉ ମଲିକ୍ୟୁଲ ଗୁଡାକ ଦେଖୁଛ ପିଡିବି ଡାଟା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରେ, ଯାହା ତୁମେ ପାଇମଲ ଥ୍ରୋରେ ଦେଖୁଥିବ, ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟାଲି ତାକୁ ସଲ୍ଭ କରନ୍ତି। ଏବେ କ୍ରାୟୋ ଇଏମ୍ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ, ଯୋଉଟା କି ବହୁତ ନୂଆ, ମାନେ କଣ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ 2007 ରେ ସେ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ 2007 ଟୁ 2013 ଭିତରେ ଡେଭଲପ ହେଲା। ତାପରେ ଏବେ ବହୁତ ମାତ୍ରାରେ ତାର ଏବେ ୟୁଜ ଚାଲିଛି, ଆଟମିକ ରେଞ୍ଜ ଏବେ ସେ ପାର କରିଗଲାଣି। ତ ତାର ଏବେ ବହୁତ ଦରକାର ଅଛି, ଏଇଟା ତାର ବାୟୋଫିଜିକ୍ସ ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ହେଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ structural biology ଆଉ bioinformatics, rather than bioinformatics I will say computational biology go hand in hand। ତ ସେଇଟା କାରଣ ତୁମେ ଥରେ ତାକୁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଟା ପାଇଗଲ, ମାନେ ଯେମିତି କି ତୁମେ ଏନଏମଆର ହେଲା କିମ୍ବା ଏକ୍ସରେ ହେଲା, ତୁମକୁ ଖାଲି ପଏଣ୍ଟସ ଗୁଡାକ ମିଳେ। ତୁମେ ଯୋଉ ରେ ପାସ୍ କଲା ପରେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ, ତାକୁ ତୁମେ ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଯେ ସେଟା କୋଉ ଆଟମ କୁ ସେ ଡିଫାଇନ କରେ, କିମ୍ବା କୋଉ ଏମିନୋ ଏସିଡ କିମ୍ବା କୋଉ ମଲିକ୍ୟୁଲ, ସେ ମଲିକ୍ୟୁଲ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବୋଲି ଆଗରୁ ଲୋକ ବହୁତ ମ୍ୟାନୁଆଲି କରିକି ତାକୁ ଆସାଇନ କରୁଥିଲେ, ତାର ରିଲେଟିଭ ପୋଜିସନ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ। ଏବେ କଣ ହଉଛି, ସବୁ କୋଡିଂ ରେ କାମ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ ସଫ୍ଟୱେରରେ ସେଟା ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ ହେଇଯାଇଛି। କିନ୍ତୁ ତୁମ ପାଖରେ ଯଦି କୋଡିଂ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଥିବ, ତ ତୁମେ ସେ ଡାଟାଟାକୁ ମୋର ପ୍ରିସାଇଜଲି ତୁମେ ଆନାଲାଇଜ କରିପାରିବ। ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରାଲ ବାୟୋଲୋଜିର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟ ବି ହେଲା ଏମଡି ସିମୁଲେସନ, ମଲିକ୍ୟୁଲାର ଡାଇନାମିକ୍ସ ସିମୁଲେସନ। ତ ସେଇଟା ବି ଗୋଟେ ଯେହେତୁ ପାର୍ଟ ରହୁଛି, ତ ତୁମେ ତୁମର ଟିକେ କମ୍ପିଟିସନାଲ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟାଟିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ସ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ ଟା ମ୍ୟାଟର କରେ। ଯଦି ତୁମେ ସେଗୁଡାକରେ ଟିକେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ଅଛ, ତୁମକୁ ଏଗୁଡା ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବ। ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରାଲ ବାୟୋଲୋଜିର ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ପାର୍ଟ ଥାଏ, ଯୋଉଟା କି ମାନେ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ। ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ ଆଇ ଗେଭ୍ ୟୁ ଦ ଆନ୍ସର, ନା ଆଉ କିଛି ଦରକାର ଅଛି କ୍ଲାରିଟି?
ନା ଭାଇ answer। Bhai, I would question one like, what are the opportunities does IIT Hyderabad provide to a research scholar?
ଦେଖ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ ହେଲା। ମୃତ୍ୟୁଞ୍ଜୟ, ପ୍ରାୟ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏଠି ଓଡିଆ ହିଁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା, ମାନେ ନନ୍ ଓଡିଆ ସ୍ପିକିଂ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି ନା?
ଓଡିଆ ହିନ୍ଦୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ହିନ୍ଦୀ ବି ଅଛନ୍ତି କେତେ ଜଣ, 2-3 ଜଣ ହିନ୍ଦୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଓଡିଆ maximum।
Okay, okay. So okay, so see, IIT Hyderabad is a new institute, like rather like comparatively new institute in comparison to other older IITs like IIT Kharagpur or IIT Kanpur. So thing is, the faculty here are they also want to do like establish themselves. So they want to establish themselves. That's why they are very aggressive. So here the environment is highly competitive. So you will be continuously getting work. You have to work hard. So you will get a lot of opportunity to explore and explore many things whatever available in the lab. Like you may not able to see many instruments or many diversity you may not observe, but at the same time, because the population, research scholar population is also relatively low, and the faculties are relatively young, so they don't have many administrative jobs like the older faculties in the older IIT. So the research scholars get more attention here. So this environment will nurture you better. I think you will go out as a better researcher, and yeah, the schedule will be very active, but the end result will be sweet. That's what I can say.
Okay. Yes, right. Bhai, one more like, how are the placement opportunities in IIT Hyderabad for student pursuing MTech and PhD in biotechnology?
See, to tell the truth, till now it is not that good. Like very few people, like mostly MTech biotech students are getting into this academias like what is that? Akas Institute or
Yes.
Narayana, that kind of. But other than that, from core companies, I think very rarely anybody get directly through in campus. And yeah, so that is not very promising. Uh, till now, it is they are trying, but because here most of them who are coming here are in the perception of doing PhD further. So even the population of the student who want to go to industry is also low. So that could be a reason, but still now it is not promising in terms of getting placement in the industry.
Mm-hmm. Uh, Bhai, like, which subject are more important for cracking GATE exam?
I'm not the right
Like
person
whether
to
we should.
answer that. It's been like think more than 4 or 5 years. So see, you have to attend more number of papers, then you may able to understand what area you want to concentrate. But I will definitely say aptitude. If you are little bit good also in mathematics, do not miss aptitude. Aptitude will be the plus point in cracking the gate. Okay. Rather than that, in because you will get all the 20 out of 20, or what is the current situation? I have no idea. So the patterns, and apart from that, molecular biology, genetics, these are like the subjects where understanding will be easy. And if you are good at remembering things and facts, then I will suggest you go for immunology or microbiology. So yeah, you hold on to your strong point. Focus on some, not all the subjects, like all the topics. So you can try some 4 6, but be aware that which one are uh, 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 least prioritized in the question paper, so that you can ignore those subjects or those topics. But rather, I can't give you a better answer than that because uh, I haven't. It's been a minute. Yes. Yeah.
Uh, yes, bhai. Bhai, then how to manage time while appearing for a GATE exam?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like you need to practice a lot of question papers, and that's what you first. If you are strong in aptitude, go for aptitude first. Then I will rather than I will suggest you to go for the. I don't know what is the pattern now. 1 2 4 or how it is now. Hello, Mrityunjay.
Hello.
Huh. What is the question pattern? Like the
Mm,
marks, like 1 2 and 4, or how it is now?
mm, yes, 1, 2, and 4 is there, but I, 1, 2 is that I didn't confirm it.
Okay, so
Confirm.
what do you want to be?
Good.
What do you want to do after this? Hello?
Yes, bhai.
Mrityunjay, what do
Hello,
you
hello,
want to do
hello,
after?
hello.
Is it audible?
Yes, bhai.
Hello.
भाई गेट पे प्रिपेयर କରୁଛି भाई गेट पे प्रिपेयर କରୁଛି हेलो 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 इज इट
Sunuch,
ऑडिबल भाई
Sunuch.
यस
Huh.
भाई गेट
Yeah,
पे
yeah.
प्रिपेयर କରୁଛି
Huh.
पर मार्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन
Okay, okay, it's fine.
मार्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन
Hey,
टा ये मन
no,
गेट
it's okay, Eric. Okay. ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏଇଆ ଖାଲି କହୁଛି ଯେ
ସାର୍ 1 2 ମାର୍କ ଅଛି
ଖାଲି 1 2
1 2
ହଁ
1 2 मार्क्स यस भाई 2
ଖାଲି
मार्क्स
1 2 okay, okay. Uh-huh. So 1 2 रे 1 रे केते क्वेश्चन अछि 2 रे केते क्वेश्चन अछि हेलो
सर सेटा डिफरेंट सेक्शंस रे माने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हेछि
ओके तो मो तो सेट कहबी जे तुमे मोर नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अटेंड कले तुमको निजी को जना पड़िबे जे तुम स्ट्रांगर पार्ट कोटा तुमे केमती अप्रोच करिया पई चाहो मो कोन करथिली माने मो टाइम रे बधे मो एप्टीट्यूड फर्स्ट करथिली तापरे 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन थिला ना कोन सेटा मो फर्स्ट अटेंड कले तापरे 1 मार्क पे जाइथिली तापरे बधे लास्ट 4 मार्क क्वेश्चंस पुरा अटेंड करथिली जेड़ा बहुत लेंदी थिला तो सेमती किछ बोध करछि जहा मते मन पड़छि सॉरी I couldn't answer it properly.
Mass distribution. What are the other? By next question, can I go?
Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. So, what are the others competitive exam we can appear after GATE? After BTech biotechnology.
See, you have CSR net is there, DBT is there, then BINC exam is there for if you want to go for bioinformatics. And then what else? IGER and NIGER, they are conducting separately their exams, I guess. And NCBS is also there. NCBS is one of the prominent institutes, and I think they are taking through GATE and CSR net also, but they are also conducting some separate exam for themselves. What I have remembered. So those are there, and I can also say that if you are like if you can afford to go out because you will be getting scholarship and all, if you want to plan to go to foreign, I will definitely suggest that if at all like there is a chance, if a small little bit willingness is also there, then you should try giving exams for IELTS and GRE, clear those exams, and you can go for that. Yeah, those things you can do.
Yes. Bhai, is taking GATE coaching is important for cracking GATE exam, or without coaching also?
It depends. So how good you are in preparing. If you are unable to focus, like you need someone to push or something, then you should take the coaching. But if you are capable of handling yourself, you do it in your room. No worries. Like you can crack it.
Okay, bhai. Bhai, I want to ask Aparna to continue with the.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Hello, Aparna, can you unmute? Okay, I think there is a technical issue, internet problem type.
No problem.
Yes, bhai. Bhai, like what means research हुए ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଜଣ ପାଖରେ ଆଇଡିଆ ଅଛି ତ ସିଏ ଆଗ କଣ ଭାବେ ମାନେ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଆଡକୁ କେମିତି ବଢିବ ସେ ତାପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଇଡିଆ ଅଛି ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଇଡିଆ ଅଛି ତା ପାଖରେ କି ଏଇଟା ହେଇପାରେ ମାତ୍ର ତାର ଆଇଡିଆଟା ଫିଜିବଲ ଡ୍ୟୁରେବଲ କି ନାହିଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିପାରିବ ସେ
ତୁମେ ଆଗ ନିଜ ଫ୍ୟାକଲ୍ଟି ସହିତ ଡିସ୍କସନ କର ତାଙ୍କୁ କଣ ଲାଗୁଛି ତୁମ ଆଇଡିଆ ଉପରେ if you are comfortable, like it's not compulsory. If you are comfortable, you do that. Otherwise, if you can wait, you have patience, then do a master's or do more digging in that particular field and read papers, download articles, read more about them. So You can read about that particular field and see that if you're whatever you are thinking, whatever idea you are thinking, is it doable or not, and if anybody has already approached on that thing or not. That way you can check that.
Mhm.
And always you can
Bhai,
talk to
for
people.
which project?
Huh?
Yes, bhai.
Uh,
Bhai, for which project did you receive the GYTI award?
that was for web
Yeah,
server
yeah.
I developed. Like actually, three of us were there in that project. So that is 3D news, the three-dimensional nucleic acid modeling web server. So mostly like, are you aware of 3DNA, Web 3DNA? Anything like that? Okay, so that was
Mm,
there previously, like where they were giving option, if you submit the sequence of your nucleotide, yeah, you can generate like normal BDNA or aDNA. But non-canonical DNAs, like DNAs with mismatches in that, or RNA DNA hybrid structures, or RNAs with mismatches, or motifs, hairpin structures, or triplexes,
mhm,
quadruplexes. Modeling these nucleic acids, for modeling these nucleic acids, there wasn't any server at that moment. So my senior initiated that work. Like then I continued on the field. So we have developed web server in the name of 3D News, 3D hyphen NUS. So you can search it. So that server, like where you can model triplexes, quadruplexes, hairpin structures like DNA RNA hybrids, and DNA mismatches, RNA mismatches, um, and gDNA and gRNA also you can build. So for that we got that a GYTA appreciation award for, yeah.
mhm. Was answer. Bhai, next, like, do you wish to go for teaching student as well?
Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely, because that will keep you updated. So though research will keep you updated, but interacting with students, like talking to them, and as time passes, like the new students or the people, they have new ideas. They are more updated. They are looking for different opportunities. They have better ideas. So it is always good to be in the teaching field. So I would love to pursue teaching as well.
Mhm. Yes, bhai. Bhai, how do you keep yourself updated?
No, like
Hello.
you see, are you in Instagram? Like, do you? You definitely be, I guess, Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or anywhere. You
Yes, yes.
follow the subjects you want to be updated. So you can follow
Mhm.
them. You can send friend requests to the groups where those things are going on. So you will get updated through that, because I am bit lazy of reading articles, but that is like that is a better way of doing things, like reading articles. Then you will improve your skills. So you can go for either Nature or Science or elsewhere. Different journals are coming every day, and even Frontiers also. So in a month or in a week, I think you should go through these journal websites, check what are the new work has been published in the field of your interest. Otherwise you follow those things, those particular
Yes.
hashtags or those particular groups in either Instagram or Twitter or Facebook. Like you can get updates about that. So yeah, i I do that.
Okay.
Okay,
Bhai, yes, bhai.
right. ଯଦି ତୁମେ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ନ କରିବ ତୁମ ଭିତରୁ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ କହିପାରିବ ଏବେ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପସ ଲାଇଫ କେମିତି ଅଛି? ତୁମେ କୋଉ ଇୟର? ମୁଁ ମୃତ୍ୟୁଞ୍ଜୟ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଜାଣିନି ଯେ ତୁମେ କୋଉ ଇୟରରେ ଅଛ?
ମୁଁ ଭାଇ ଫାଇନାଲ ଇୟରରେ
ଓ
ଅଛି।
ଫାଇନାଲ ଇୟର, ଓ ଗ୍ରେଟ୍।
ଭାଇ ଯିଏ ଅମିଷା ପଚାରୁଥିଲା, she is from say third year and ଅପର୍ଣ୍ଣା ଯିଏ ଅଛି ସେ second year।
ଓ ସମସ୍ତେ ଅଛନ୍ତି। ତ ଏବେ ଏବେ
And
କ୍ୟାମ୍ପସ ମାନେ କେତେ ଜଣ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ କଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ସେଇଥିରେ? ଇଟ୍ସ ଫାଇନ୍ ନା, ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଆସ୍କ ୟୁ, ଲାଇକ ଆଇ ଜଷ୍ଟ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ବି ଅପଡେଟେଡ ଅବାଉଟ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସ
हाँ
ଗୋଇଂ
हाँ
ଅନ୍
yes
କ୍ୟାମ୍ପସ।
भाई,
So ଏବେ ତୁମ batch ରେ କେତେ ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି କଣ?
ଆମ batch ରେ ଭାଇ total 24 ଅଛନ୍ତି students।
ହଁ। ଆଉ ଏବେ ଯୋଉ third year, second year, first year ରେ କେମିତି କଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ଭାଇ on an average 25-24 ଅଛନ୍ତି।
ତ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏବେ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପସ ଭିତରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଏବେ ବି ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ମାନେ ବାହାରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ?
ନା first year ବାହାରେ hostel and ये fourth ମାନେ second third year ସବୁ ଭିତରେ
କ୍ୟାମ୍ପସ ଭିତରେ।
Yeah.
ଆଉ ତୁମର
Campus
ଫାଇନାଲ ଇୟର ରେ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ପୁରା ବର୍ଷେ ଥାଉଛି ନା 6 ମାସର?
6 months major project, then divide each minor project like 3 months, 2 months, and 6 months major project ରହୁଛି।
ଆଉ ତୁମକୁ କେମିତି ବି ଲାଗୁଛି ସିଟି କ୍ୟାମ୍ପସ ଲାଇଫ ତୁମକୁ ଠିକ ଠାକ ଲାଗୁଛି ନା?
ଭାଇ ଲାଗୁଥିଲା ଥର୍ଡ ଇୟର ଯାଏ ମାନେ ଠିକ ଠାକ ଲାଗିଲା, ମାନେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରୁଥିଲୁ ଫୋର୍ଥ ଲକଡାଉନ ହେଇଗଲା।
ଓ
ସେତେବେଳେ ଯାଏ ପୁରା ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଥିଲା, ମାନେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ଟୁ ଏନ୍ଜୟ ଥିଲା।
ହେଲା
ସଡନ ଲକଡାଉନ ହେଇଗଲା।
ଇଟ୍ସ ଓକେ, ହୁଏ। ଆଉ ଘରେ ସବୁ ଠିକ ଠାକ?
ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭାଇ।
ହଁ ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି, ତୁମେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ପଚାର।
ଏବେ ବି କୋରାପୁଟରେ ଅଛି
କୋଉଠି ଅଛ ତୁମେ?
ଦାମନଯୋଡ଼ିରେ ଭାଇ।
ଓ ଦାମନଯୋଡ଼ି ନାଲକୋ, ଓକେ। ଓ ନାଇସ୍। ହେଲେ ତୁମେ ତ ଜାଣିଥିବ ସବୁ କୋରାପୁଟ। ହଉ ପଚାର ଯାହା ପଚାରୁଥିଲ।
ଭାଇ ଆପଣ ନାମ କହିବି ଟିକେ ପଚାରିବା।
ହଁ sure. ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ क्वेश्चन ରଖିଛ।
Good evening, sir. Sorry
good
for the
evening.
network issues.
No problem, please.
Sir, can you tell us something about the current research scenario of COVID-19?
Yeah, sure, definitely. But before that, can I ask you, are you in second year, I guess, no?
Yes, sir.
So may I know, what drove you to take biotechnology as your bachelor's?
Fascination towards biology.
You always wanted to be in biotechnology or medical or agriculture or anything else, or you wanted to be in biotechnology always?
No, I was fascinated towards biology, but I never wanted to come into engineering.
Okay.
Somehow by mistake I came here.
So you are you feeling stuck here, or what is your current feeling? Though you might have lost 1 year of your campus life, but how was the?
During my first years, I used to feel like no, I should not be here. But now I got adjusted with the surroundings and, of course, the campus life.
I think in first year you will not be introduced to any biotech subjects, I guess.
No, we did not have any.
No, slowly you will be introduced, so you will get the taste of that. So
yes,
be disappointed in that aspect. But I will suggest at the same time keep your interest in either physics or chemistry or computer science. You should be it's a general suggestion for the first year and the second year, third year if they can improve at the same time. But as you people are initiating in the field of biotechnology, I will suggest that if you want to continue in the field, I will suggest that either you should put your interest in either computer science or physics or chemistry, along with the whatever respective subjects or topics you like in the field of biology. So that will definitely help you in future. And yeah, so now I think we can ask your questions.
Yes. Thank you, sir. So I was asking that about the current research scenario of COVID-19.
Yeah. So I think at the present time, it is more focused on understanding the virus, how is it, how it is propagating inside the human host, what are the major factors, what are the major molecules that is in action that helps in spreading. Because again, you might be aware that second wave of the infection have been spreaded all over the world, like it is initiating. Even in Germany, I think some of the countries in Europe have started the lockdown again, and Delhi also it is quite growing now. So considering that point is at the first step, till maybe April or May, they were more focused on developing a vaccine or something. Like, but they found that many of the vaccines are failing. Like whatever they expected, that is not working. So slowly they are growing more into understanding the virus, the structural understanding. They are putting more effort to understand the structural aspects, like
Yes.
different molecules. Many cryo-EM structures are coming. The bigger molecules, they are understanding like how different molecules are connected, which part of. I think now again some papers came related. Previously, it was only known that ACE2 receptor, like through ACE2 receptor, the COVID is passing into the host. But now another that neural system, like where the pain related some stimuluses were there, so they are
Yeah.
infecting that part also in order to infect. So it's now I think they are more growing into understanding the virus and identifying the novel targets in the virus.
Hmm. So, what are your upcoming projects and publications? Can you?
Yeah, like one of them is I was working some aspects of COVID, and one more is related to some metal protein interactions thing. And apart from that, one, two more projects are there. So I think with time, you may see that in publication list of mine. Yeah.
Sir, ଯଦି ଆପଣ allow କରିବେ then କିଛି personal fun questions
Yeah,
ପଚାରିବେ।
sure, sure. But disclaimer कि ମୁଁ ବହୁତ boring ଲୋକଟା, ମୋ ପାଖରେ କୌଣସି interesting answer ନଥିବ। Ask at your own risk.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ragging ହେଇଛି କେବେ college life ରେ?
ଏ ବହୁତ ହେଇଛି। ସେମିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ବହୁତ ହେଇଛି। ଇଭେନ୍ ମୁଁ ବି କରିଛି, କରିବା କଥା ନୁହଁ, ମାନେ ଟିକେ ବହୁତ କରିଛି, ମୁଁ ଏତେ ବି ନୁହଁ। ଆଉ ମୋ ଇମିଡିଏଟ ଜୁନିୟର ମାନଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ଲୋକ ସଫର ହେଇଛି, ବେଶୀ ନାହିଁ। କିନ୍ତୁ ହଁ,
କିଛି experience
ରାଗିଂ
share
ର
କରିବେ?
ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ କେବେ ଭଲ ନଥାଏ, ଫନି ଥାଏ କିମ୍ବା ଟର୍ଚରସ୍ ଥାଏ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଯୋଉଠି ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଚାପଡା ଖାଇଥିଲି ଯାହାବି, ତ ମାନେ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟଟା ଏମିତି ହେଇଥିଲା କି ଚାପଡା ମାରି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ସେ ବୁଝାଉଛନ୍ତି କି ଦେଖ, ଯଦି ମୁଁ ନ ମାରିବି ତ ଆଉ କିଏ ମାରନ୍ତା, ଆଉ ଯଦି ଜୋରରେ ବାଜନ୍ତା ତ ତୁ ଅଧିକା ଟିକେ କଷ୍ଟ ହୁଅନ୍ତା, ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏ ତୋ ସିନିୟର ମୁଁ ତତେ ମାରିଦେଲି, ପ୍ଲିଜ ଖରାପ ଭାବିବୁନି। ତ ଇଟ ୱାଜ ରିଏଲି ହିଲାରିୟସ୍। ସେ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟରେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନଥିଲି ମୁଁ କେମିତି ରିଏକ୍ଟ କରିବି। ତ
CET फिर कॉलेज लाइफ रे केबे क्लास बंक करछंती ऑफ कोर्स।
ବହୁତ ରେକର୍ଡ ଅଛି ମୋର। ମୁଁ ହାର୍ଡଲି କ୍ଲାସ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଥିଲି, ତ ମୁଁ ରେକମେଣ୍ଡ କରିବିନି କାହାକୁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଅଲୱେଜ ସେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ୟୁ ସୁଡ୍ ପରସ୍ୟୁ ୟୋର ଡ୍ରିମ୍। ସୋ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଏଭର ନିଡେଡ ଫର ୟୋର ଡ୍ରିମ୍ ୟୁ ଡୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ। ସୋ କରିଛି, ବହୁତ କ୍ଲାସ ବଙ୍କ କରିଛି।
ଆପଣ ଲାଇक କଲେଜ ଲାଇଫ ରେ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ବେଞ୍ଚର ଥିଲେ, ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ବେଞ୍ଚର ଥିଲେ?
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ, ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ପଛରେ ବସି ପାରିଲା। ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ଆମକୁ ବେଳେ ଆଗକୁ ଡକା ହୁଏ, ମାନେ କିଛି କିଛି କ୍ଲାସ ରେ ଅନଏଭଏଡେବଲ ସିଚୁଏସନ ରେ ଆମକୁ ଆଗେ ଆସି ବସିବାକୁ ପଡେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରିଫରେବଲ ସିଟ୍ ଇଜ ଦ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ସାଇଡ୍।
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫେଭରେଟ ସ୍ପୋର୍ट्ସ?
ବ୍ୟାଡମିଣ୍ଟନ।
ओके एंड फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्समैन?
ବ୍ୟାଡମିଣ୍ଟନ ରେ ଏବେ ତ ସେମିତିରେ ମୁଁ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର କାହାକୁ ଏମିତି ଇନିସିଆଲ ତ ଫଲୋ କରୁନି, କିନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରାୟତଃ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଯୋଉ ଫିମେଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି କିମ୍ବା ମେଲ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ସ ମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫଲୋ କରୁଥାଏ କେତେବେଳେ କେତେବେଳେ, ଆଉ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଟିକେ ଦେଖେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମିତି ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାରଲି ବେଶୀ କ୍ରେଜ୍ ନାହିଁ ମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ। ମତେ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ଖେଳିବା ପାଇଁ, ମୁଁ ଖେଳେ ବାସ୍।
आफ्टर सिचुएशन गेट्स नॉर्मल कौन प्लान अछि लाइक?
ନାଇଁ, ଏବେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ PhD ଡିଗ୍ରୀ ପାଇଁ ଫୋକସ୍ ଅଛି, ଆଗ ଡିଗ୍ରୀଟା ନେବାର ଅଛି, ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବା।
ଯେତେବେଳେ କ୍ଲାସ ବଙ୍କ କରୁଥିଲେ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଫର ଅ ସଡନ ଧରା ପଡି ଯାଇଥିବେ, ଦେନ୍ କଣ ଏକ୍ସକ୍ୟୁଜ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି? ସଚ କିଛି ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ?
କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ କାମ ଚଳି ଯାଉଥିଲା ତ ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି, ବାକି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଟିକେ ସିଚୁଏସନ ଟଫ୍ ଆସେ ତ ଯାହା ଅଲଗା ସମସ୍ତେ କହନ୍ତି ସେଇଭଳିଆ କିଛି ଆନ୍ସର ଦଉ, ଆଉ ସେଗୁଡାକ କାହିଁକି ଏବେ ଖୋଲିକି କିଛି ଲାଭ ନାହିଁ, ସେ ରାଜ ଗୁଡାକ ଥାଉ।
ଗୋଟେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଲାଇକ ବିଟେକ୍ ଲାଇଫ ରେ ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଗଲ କରିଥିବେ ପାସ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ?
ହଁ, ମୁଁ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ସାଇନ୍ସ କଥା କହୁଥିଲି ପା। କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଯେତିକି 4ଟା ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଥିଲା, ଭଗବାନ ଜାଣନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କେମିତି ପାସ୍ କରିଛି, ଆଉ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ୍ସ ଟୁ ସମ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମାଇ କ୍ଲୋଜ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍। They really help.
Do you believe that luck is important in life?
Yeah. But luck, fortune, the brave. So तुमे लकटा समस्त सेमती मिलनी तो मुझे हार्ड वर्क करिया पड़े तुम से लकटा भी सपोर्ट करे जो तुम से काम कर तुम डिजर्विंग अच्छ मत से लगे तो लक दरकार एमती नुह लक दरकार नहीं किंतु सोईकी रही लक को गाड़ी देले किसी लाभ
Surely. CET canteen रे favorite खाइबा favorite snack
बेकार प्लीज
भल लगे
स्किप सीटी कैंटीन एबे मे भी इंप्रूव हो जाइतो एबे मु जाननी किंतु आम बेले सेते किछ ऑप्शन नथिला एक्चुअली माने सॉरी माने इमीडिएट रिएक्शन ता आसी गला फीलिंग तो बहुत हार्ड थिला तो सेते बेले किछ सेमते खास नथिला एबे मे भी इंप्रूव हो जाइतो अरे से मझिरे जो
favorite place
सॉरी से मझिरे जो दुकानटा थाए ना कार तांकर ना कोन मझिरे जोरा माने कैंटीन रे मझिरे जा दुकानटा अछि से सब माने जूस गुडा बिकुथले
मुस्कान
मुस्कान शॉप नाड तांकर ना उडे कोन तो सीए
आजाद भाई
हां आजाद भाई राइट
दादा
हला तो तांको पाखरे टिके किछ आइटम था जोरा कि टेस्ट लागे बाकी या को
आपनकर ओडिसा रे फेवरेट प्लेस कोटा
ओडिसा रे ओडिसा रे फेवरेट प्लेस कोन
हेलो
मते कोरापुट भल जागाटा माने माने कोरापुट रे रहया कथा किंतु मते बरमपुर पय टिके सॉफ्ट कर्नर अछि मोर होम टाउन के सॉफ्ट कर्नर बरमपुर पय अछि हेलो
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 ओ बलराम अछि
आपनकर फर्स्ट डे ऑफ सीईटी केमते
अरे हॉरिबल यार माने मो स्कूल माने यूनिफॉर्म पिंधि नथली मते लागिला कि माने नॉर्मल ये तो ए हाय बलराम बड़ा लंबा टाइम सॉरी ये डिस्टर्ब बहुत लंबा टाइम पर देखा हाँ मैं कपिया पर तो से माने फर्स्ट डे रे मु यूनिफॉर्म किछि पिंधि नथली तो जस्ट नॉर्मल जो हमरो इनफॉर्मल ड्रेस रे आस्थिली फर्स्ट डे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज जीवा गोटे गोड़ा गोटे हो तो सीनियर माने धरिकी बस स्टैंड से जो थाए ना जो डेस्की माने बोधे बे आछन से बस स्टॉप पाखे धरिकी जो हैरान करथिले बाय गॉड ये मेमोरी अलगा से आ ए बलराम केमती अछु तू
भाई मस्त पूरा
कोडी बरमपुर रे
टमाटो इंस्पायर काम करछ हमें
हेलो
हां सॉरी सॉरी अपर्णा पचार सॉरी
ना ना बराबर नो राउरकेला रे अछि
ओ अपर्णा सॉरी हां
मु एनआईटी राउरकेला रे पीएचडी
हां हां मु जानछि बलराम मु जानछि तू बल ये एबे राउरकेला रे अछु तो कैंपस खोली जाय छी पूरा
कैंपस खोलछि किनु बाहर अछि कैंपस रे नै
ओके ओके ओ ग्रेट
एकेडमिक को एंट्री अछि किंतु हॉस्टल को एंट्री नहीं
हां काम चल छी तारे भलो भलो हां अपर्णा पचार
so I like to pass it on to Mrityunjay bhai again.
Okay, sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sorry for the disturbance. हमें बहुत दिन पर देखा हलो जड़े
No,
भाई
it happens.
भाई any advice for our junior means for us and any advice
see it's about like what is your goal, what do you do, what do you want to do in your field, like See, unless until you work for it, you are not going to get that. And so explore many things, whatever you want to do. See, you are in the biotechnology, maybe you are seeing very less subjects here, but there are many things like I don't know how many of you are aware of pharmacology, like uh, epidemiology, then pharmacogenetics, then drug targeting, like computer-based drug designing, then microbiology. In microbiology also, for virology, there are different sections are there. Genomics itself is a very vast field. Then in that, next generation sequencing, then your structural biology came, then many techniques are there. You need to explore like what do you want to do in the field. Don't stick into like some basic plan or something. Understand the field whenever you are going to go for the next part of your life. If you are going for any higher studies or anything, explore about the institute, explore about the stream where you want to induct it, and work for that. And definitely make friends, good friends, make good friends. They will be your lifeline. So they will keep you grounded, they will keep you like lively throughout your life. So don't miss them. It's a like, yeah, that's what I can say about CET, that CET has given me the like some of the best people in the world, his friends. So we are still in contact, and yeah, and there is no alternative to smart and hard work. You have to do both.
Yes, bhai. Any message for our for the teachers?
Yeah, yeah, all the teachers, thank you very much. Like they build us actually. Like their guidance was really needed at that moment. They many time maybe the teachers will be saying in the class that you study, you have to do, you have to study, you have to go deep. They may be saying in the like bit angry manner or something you may not like, but whatever they are saying from their experience, they are saying that. So you, if you don't want to follow them, but at least listen them and work for your goal. And I will be, I am very much grateful to them because. They always advise us to go for higher studies and do study and keep focusing. That's what they did. And I would like to mention like Swagat sir and Sonali Didi in particularly, and Bhagwat bhai, like they have been very much helpful in campus to me. Like and Samir bhai is not there in campus, but Samir bhai and Jain sir also was like integral part of my BTech journey. Like these people were very much helpful during my BTech life, and I am thankful to other Supriya ma'am and who else was it? Like, I think, yeah, Chandan sir was it. Chandan sir and Supriya ma'am, and
Yes, sir.
sorry, yeah.
Thank you for answering my doubts and all. Bhai, I want to request Rishi Krishna Das. She has raised her hand for some question, I think.
Yeah, sure, sure, please.
Yes, Rishi, please.
Hello, sir. This is Rishi Krishna. I'm in my final year.
Hi, Rishi Krishna.
Sir, actually, nowadays the research is mostly focused on COVID-19.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we all know that in future the scenario of bio war may come up.
Emerge. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
True.
So what do you think? The research will be focused mainly on the microbiology part, or and the other research areas will be like suppressed, or they will not like. Do you think that the microbiology will, there will be more focus on microbiology?
Uh, yeah, it is possible, but it is not like other fields will be like given less opportunities or like ignored, because see, structural biology, they are like integral part of all kind of researches, and cancer biology, which was like very much prominent previously and still rising. The disease will always be in focus. Either it is infectious biology, infectious diseases, or cancer, or some hereditary diseases. So it will be there. As the current time is such a way that people are more focused on the coronavirus and infectious disease. Yeah, As you said, there may be for a 5 years or 6 years period, there will be more attention on the microbiology as of now. But it will not be directly microbiology, virology, and different aspects like structural biology comes into picture, then bioinformatics comes into picture, computational biology also there, biostatistics is there. So even your immunology is there because they are trying to develop antibodies and antigen. Those kind of researchers are there. So all kind of diseases will be in like equal attention, but for a limited time period, maybe for this phase, like maybe for next some 4 to 5 years, maybe like more attention will be given on the virus and the infectious disease, maybe. Yeah.
Okay. Sir, actually, I'm a little curious that you said that in your college time you did not like computer science so much. So,
Yeah.
how did you take bioinformatics and you just like focused on
Yeah.
that and you've done everything in that? So,
Yeah.
how did you choose that path?
Yeah, see, like it's all about like the right opportunity and the right vision at that moment. So, see, in college, I wasn't able to know that like coding is needed. Like it can be a part of like your biotech research. Math is also like like one of the favorite subjects. So I always uh, like biology and math. So when I in MTech actually there was a course structural bioinformatics. So where we were mostly talked about the structural aspects of nucleic acid and proteins and carbohydrates. Then after that the bioinformatics part was there. And in second semester there was a coding course like taught by the same faculty. So there I got interest about the coding. Like with coding we can able to analyze the data, existing data. We can get informations, new informations. See, like you can do experiment to identify a mutation, but at the same time, if the sequence is available and the reference sequence is available, then you can do the identification of the mutation in the sequence through coding also, like through computational biology method. And this time period will be much lesser than the experimental method. So considering these points, like I got an interest. So then slowly I was given a project related to that. So I worked more on similar projects. And yeah, now, like that's how I grew my interest in that field. Then I realized like, okay, this way also like coding or the computational biology can be a integral part of the life science research, and it can be more promising than the experimental methods. So yeah,
Sir, I have another question. Sir,
I think I answered your
after
question.
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sure, sure.
Yeah. Sir,
Yeah,
when we are doing higher studies, there are various fields in
yes.
which we can do it. Like, for example, MTech in biotechnology. And there is also MTech in, say for example, computational biology. So, like, what do you think that one should go for MTech in biotechnology as a whole, or he or she should narrow down the like subject? Like for example, MTech in computational biology or MTech in microbiology or MSc or microbiology.
Yeah, it's a good question. So yeah, that clarity should be there. See, there I did a mistake in my past. So the thing is, biotechnology as a whole, like have all the fields in that. Okay, so it depends on the institute where you are doing MTech, like what kind of research are going on under that department, so that you can like you can get those projects or those kind of like teaching related to mostly like in the premier institutes, whatever research they are doing similar to those things they will be teaching in the class. So you have to look into the faculty profile of the institute where you want to join. So you will have a clarity about like the field you wanted to work on is there or not, if people are working in that field or not. Otherwise it is always preferable to narrow down your focus. Like you can, if someone is offering a MTech degree in neuroscience or MTech degree in microbiology, and you want to work on that particular field, better do that because it will be more precise. But if you are not getting that option and you are getting into biotech, then in biotech also you have to see like in which institute, what kind of research are going on, and if it is the field where you are interested or not. So yeah, that's how I think you need to choose.
Thank you, sir.
Ah, sure.
I want Gurleen there. Yes, sir. Sir, Bhai Gurleen want to ask some questions.
Yeah,
Gurleen
sure,
Kurban.
please.
Yes. Gurleen, can you unmute and go?
Hello.
Hi, Gurlit.
Hello.
Hello.
Huh. Sir, I want to ask, what is the difference between MTech in biotechnology and life science?
Okay. See, it depends, like which institute says that, like what kind of research they are doing. Basically, the term suggests like biotech should be like technology plus biology, but it's now more like which institute is giving that a particular degree and what research they are doing. So if you have to tell to somebody, then you can say that life science is more like the science kind of subject. But when it comes to biotechnology, it should be an engineering aspect of the biology. But in practically, that is not like that. So you have to go to the profile of works they are doing in the particular institute. So you go through that, search that. I will definitely urge everyone to wherever you want to join. Before that, you go through their articles, they go through their publications, see what kind of work they are doing, and each faculty will be having their research profile, their web
अरे यार
page.
काट.
Sorry.
Yes, sir. Sir, so for MTech, we have to clear certain exams like GATE and all. So for PhD also, do we have to clear some exams or what after MTech?
See, now I think GATE has given 3 years of validity, I guess. The GATE, like if you're qualifying for GATE, you can use it for 3 years. So that way you can directly use GATE. Otherwise, like, yeah, all the premier institutes are needing, like they need any qualification in other exams, but some of the premier institute also allow like their MTech students to reappear for biotech, like you can, sorry, PhD. Like you can either you can convert to PhD after your MTech. Okay, during your MTech period, like maybe after third semester, you can convert to PhD if you want to continue there. Otherwise, you can reappear there if you have done MTech in the same institute. And even between the IITs also, like if you have done MTech in any IIT, then you can go for direct PhD without any qualification also, like any qualifying exam also they are supporting, I
Okay, sir. So what is the time period for PhD?
guess. uh, See, the scholarship is given for 5 years, like various scholarship, whatever the CSR net and MHRD provides, the DVD provides, that is for 5 years. But generally, there is no cap actually. So it depends on how your work progresses, how you are doing. So considering that point, you may finish early or you may finish a little bit late. So that's why I say it, like if you are going for higher studies, then fix your mind that you might have to invest nearly some 10 years of time into the field. Yeah. So may I know like which year are you in?
So I'm in fourth year.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay. And sir, so for lecturership, is PhD necessary or after MTech we can opt for lecturership?
See, according to the current government rules, I think from 2021 PhD will be necessary. But I think many private colleges are allowing for like you can pursue for lectureship after masters. But see, the payment will not be that good. So I will suggest if you want to go for lectureship, then you definitely should do PhD. So yeah, I will suggest that way. But see, whom you want to teach, that matters. Okay, so you can teach to some school kids also. You can earn more. If you are more focused on money, you need not to worry that you need to do MTech or PhD. There are better ways of earning more money without going through this hard process and all. So be clear about what do you want to do. So if you need anything related to that, you can ask. No problem.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Anyone anyone from participant want to ask any more questions? Yes, well.
हाँ भाई
Yeah, hi, Balram.
ଭାଇ କଣ କୋଉଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ?
ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦରେ ମୋର କାମ ଚାଲିଛି ଆଉ କଣ।
GYTA ବିଷୟରେ ଟିକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ହଁ ହଁ
କେମିତି
ୟା
କଣ?
ଓକେ ମୁଁ କହିବି ସେ ଜିନିଷ। So see, GYTA actually DBT, Department of Biotechnology, every year conducts one program like where innovations like different ideas that can be marketized, like that can be used for generating revenue or something. So you can propose your ideas to GYTA. So considering all the applications, they will go through like your work, and if you are passing through their screening process, there are different awards are there. Under that one, Sitare GYTA award is there. GYTA Sitare award is there, which gives 15 lakhs for 2 years. Like for your proposal, you will be working on the proposal, and it's a good thing that it's a student-based award. Like it will not be awarded to any faculty. It will be on the name of student. So, but you need a mentor. You need a mentor. So no, you have to be working under somebody, or you should have a mentor. You should be affiliated to some institute, or you have to do that. But if you have a solid, very nice idea, innovative idea, I will urge to apply there. And if it clicks, then you will be getting 15 lakhs for 2 years, and it will come in installments, like 4 installments. And they are very much flexible about your research, the way you do the research. If you are stuck, they will help you to collaborate with other labs which who are there in their contact. And I found it very like reliable source of funding. So I will definitely urge you people to apply for GYTA award. You can go through their website, GYTA award 2021. You can search, you'll get it. I think November 30 is the last date for that. Go through their questions, see their questions, like what kind of questions they have asked, like if you have answer to that or not. You speak with your professors, like your lectures, and talk to them, and they will be very much helpful in that regard. Like they may give you the better ideas, and definitely you should try. At least you should try.
It should be in like idea stage or in progress stage. You have did some research and you have some results like that.
See, in idea stage also you can apply. Like there are different year, but if it is in progress stage, means there are more chances that you may get the award. So because it will be promising for them also to see that okay, you have some outcome like that. But
Okay.
idea stage also they are supporting. And the good thing is that no, like if your idea is promising and you didn't get that 15 lakhs also, they will help you to connect to other people who are interested in your ideas, so that you will
Okay.
get a revenue. And that's a very good thing. And you can see Honeybee Network, like this is the organization who has taken care of, who has taken the responsibility of organizing this thing. And they have created a database in the BIRAC website. BIRAC Sitare Award is that. The BIRAC website, if you see, or GYTA Award website, all the technology has been listed there. So you can see like various technologies have been, innovations from India has been listed there. So they are working really good in this aspect, like connecting people for who have the idea to who can fund them, and they are taking till marketization stage or development stage. That way, they are really helpful.
Okay. How you managed your fund, like in your PhD work or some other project you are continuing?
No, that was my one of the objectives in the PhD work. That's why I got the appreciation award, because there was not much to do under that. When I
Okay.
applied, that was really like in the completion stage. So during that period, like they just gave me the award for more for less for many, because it was a useful website. They thought maybe it is a useful website. Considering that, they awarded me. But my lab has got 2 awards since 2017. So till now we have
Okay.
got like 2 awards. So they consider the work, and they have given, I have presented in front of them, like in one of the awarded project I'm working. So I have presented in front of the GYTA team also, like my progress in those way. They suggest, they help you in the aspect of taking forward the work, like continue, like how to connect with other people from whom you can get the resources. Those things they are really helpful in that aspect.
Thank you.
Any more questions, Mrityunjay?
Anyone from participants from want to ask any question? Any more question? I think
No more questions, I guess.
no more questions are no more questions. Okay, bhai, I thank you for being
Yeah.
with us and making this evening more beautiful with your presence.
Yeah,
So thank you, bhai, for inspiring us as well and guiding us in a better way how to, do the research work or whether to pursue MTech after BTech and how to go for PhD programs. So thanks a lot, bhai, for guiding us. We needed this guy actually.
thank you for inviting, and hopefully I stood up to your expectations. I don't know how much you people are satisfied, but it's good interacting with you.
Yes,
Uh, and
yes, it we have doubts we have such doubts like how to go how to pursue the career after BTech. We have these doubts after taking a branch like like biotech means other field are already discovered field means they have already been like they have already been discovered, but biotech is means it's ongoing, and so the student want to means the junior want to be guided like what they can do, what can be done in this field. So thank you, bhai, for guiding and hello.
No, I will really appreciate your efforts that you have considered this point. Like it, as you said, it is very much needed to have a clarity about what to do in the next, because this field has not been very much explored. Like there are not many opportunities after bachelor's. But I will say, like if you want to go to industry, also there are different ways of going into industry. I think in coming days, many more alumni will be giving talks, and you can talk to them. Like this is a very nice
Yes,
initiative. I will really appreciate, like you have taken the steps to do the event, contacting like alumni for their insights. So you should bring more people into here and see. Like fortunately, like maybe how many years now? I think in I think in 2000. I think it is more than 10 years since biotech has been started in CET. So, like good amount of alumni are there in different fields, like in various fields, it's very diverse. So you can take opinion from different seniors, like how they reach there, what is your interest of field. One of the nice field is rural development. I think in from Dhiren Bhai's batch, one Didi was into that field. Like she was doing rural masters in rural development in IIT Bombay. So that is also a nice course. So it depends, like what is your interest. Try to contact those alumni who are where are they, and talk to them. I don't think anyone will be unhappy or uncooperative to answer your queries or like tell you what to suggest you what to do, because it has been a difficult journey for the people who started the journey actually. And still at the same time, I'm also like many different paths I have flipped here and there. I wasn't very clear, but at least I can suggest now to some way, like for the better way. Like it may not be completely solution a complete solution of where you want to go, but I can suggest like the better way, like how you can proceed some way. I can suggest similarly. There may be people who can give better answers than me. They might have better experience than me, so you should contact them, talk to them. And there is no wrong in pinging them. Like it is your requirement, you wanted to know, and they are your alumni. They will definitely help you. So
yes,
I think we'll be in touch. And yeah, the siren also gave the signal that I should leave. So okay, so thank you very much.
नमस्कार भाई शिव.
अरे शिव, हाय
Hello.
नमस्कार शिव.
भाई बहुत लेट हो गला, मुझे काम रे फसी जाइथिली.
अरे
तो बैकग्राउंड नॉइज होउची त हम बेसी किछि कहबिनी. बहुत बढ़िया लागिला. आपण अधघंटा घंटा रे सेशन थिला किंतु 2 घंटा गला. आपण पेशेंस भी बहुत आमे जेमती कॉलेज रे देखिथिलु एग्जैक्ट एवे से आई रिफ्लेक्ट होउची जे घंटा रे शो को माने आपण 2 घंटा नेले एंड एते पेशेंस सहित लास्ट पर्यंत आंसर करू था. मझे मझे लॉगिन करके सुनु थाए. बहुत बढ़िया थिला सेशन एंड बहुत माने आमे बहुत भीतर खुशी जे आपण आसिले 2 घंटा रे समय देले. आउ एते बढ़िया बढ़िया जिंस सब कहता मझे मझे लॉगिन करू था एंड सुनु थाए. माने बहुत माने भल लागिला जे बहुत बढ़िया जगह रे अछन, बहुत बढ़िया से करूचंती. तो मोर लास्ट क्वेश्चन भाई, जदि आपन को सीईटी रिलोकेट करियो कोहा जीव जे सीईटी रे आपन आसी के आज फैकल्टी जॉइन करंतु तो आपन को कोन रहिबो जे एक्शन जे मो आईआईटी हैदराबाद रो सीईटी आसीबी कि नाही?
अरे फास्ट रे डिपार्टमेंट को परमानेंट
करा मे भी कंट्रोवर्शियल है
पारे. नहीं फास्ट डिपार्टमेंट को परमानेंट करा जाओ. आउ देख माने ओडिसा गवर्नमेंट पाखरे गोटे मात्र
सेल्फ फाइनेंस रो गवर्नमेंट हे जो पास
आ कोन माने ओडिसा गवर्नमेंट रे गोटे मात्र इंस्टीट्यूट जोटी बायोटेक अछि माने सेइटा रे भी ताको सेल्फ फाइनेंसिंग कर रखा है कि आगे सेटा को गवर्नमेंट करिया बहुत दरकार. अरे माने कंसीडरिंग दैट पॉइंट कि हम सेल्फ फाइनेंसिंग बहुत भलो पिला बाहर चंती, बहुत भलो सीनियर इवन फैकल्टी मानको को एफर्ट्स भी कम नो यार. सेइट्रु स्वागत सर सोनल दीदी मो अन्य मानको को मु जाननी किंतु स्वागत सर सोनल दीदी से माने बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया पेपर पब्लिश करछंती. माने इट्स ए कमांडेबल थिंग दे आर डूइंग एक्चुअली. How Siba, I am very happy. Like you are putting a lot of effort, and the thing you have started, Metal, I really appreciate. Like those things are needed. Like this is the time actually. There are opportunities, and we can explore that. And I think we have to be brave enough to start those things. It will definitely rock. Like see, now Siva got an opportunity. He was highlighted in many places during the COVID period. So I will urge everyone, like if you have the chance, like you think like you can do it, so better pursue that, do the fulfill your dreams. There are lot of opportunity in the field of biology, but you have to see with a different lens. You can't continue the way like the like just like a normal biologist going through the microscope seeing it. You have to develop your skills in the computer science or physics or chemistry. Do well. I think the future is for us. So yeah, that's what I can
भाई
say.
आउ जने alumni के तमे सजेस्ट करिवो आउ
ये अरे धीरेन भाई को डकाओ. धीरेन भाई
भाई लाइव पॉज कर दियो मृत्युंजय, लाइव पॉज कर दियो. हेलो. हाँ भाई.